Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla! Everyone, you don't know who this is the Skilla, you see me? And really and truly, something happened what make me really feel surprised right now, you see me? Me just get this thing from Trinidad and Tobago from one of the viewers, you know. They want me to point it out that one of them top police officers they're back in a town. You see me? Named Gary Griffith. Yeah, if me not get it wrong, he named Gary Griffith back in town. You see me I say? Now for some reason this man is the top cop, and for some reason it seems like Trinidad and Tobago have been having a whole lot of problem with crime and violence. You see me I say? Yes, me see few videos from Trinidad and Tobago where, you know, me see man even celebrate with rifles are waving at them hand. Anyways, a operation pulled down since the general, what they call Gary, they back in a town. You see me, and you know, it's like the people you can say people really like this police officer for the job when do. You see me? If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna make sure I get it correct and think properly. Them said this operation take place not just like a few hours ago in a place that is called Sealots and Beetham. You see me I say? Yeah, where a whole heap of them, whole heap of people get detained. You see me? Yeah, a whole heap of people. So it's like you know, just take a look. You see me? You need to be careful with them point the firearm so many times. The gun can really go off. No? Yeah, for real.
What is it? Come on, block you man, right?
It really and truly really catch me surprised for sister that my channel really did that far out there. You get what I said to you, I never really realized that, you know what I mean? I mean, yes, this is exactly what I want, but I have to be really giving thanks, you know, for the viewers that are out there. So I say, yeah, so in my knowledge, you know, he's the commissioner of police in Trinidad and Tobago. Yes, so I say, and the job what him do, it look like Trinidad and Tobago really respect the job what him do. You see me I say, again, this operation take place, you know, I should say in this place what they call him sealots and Beetham. Yeah? You know, yes, sealots and Beetham. You see me I say, according to the sources where give me the information. You see me I say, and several people got arrested. You see me? Yeah, well, you know, crime and violence, you know what I mean? A clamp have to be done at it, you know, because it's for my protection, your protection, and that's how it go. So it goes to show you that not only Jamaica have these problems, but the world have their own problems as well. You know what I mean? So enough respect to my viewers, as I say. Yeah, and big up to the whole of Trinidad and Tobago, as I say. And I want to hope for the best for everybody there. Alright? From Dancehall Skilla. Anyways, if you need to know more what go on, or if you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. If you need to contact me, just read the description below, and the way to contact me is there. You don't know the thing go. Until next time, my name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.